Okay, so we got quite a way the last time, and let's see if we can get any further now this time. Let's start the refactoring. Sounds like a good idea. So, basic question here is what do we want to do? And in general, the way we've organized the test is fairly clear what we want to do. We want to add a dependency, we want to take out one of the degrees of freedom from the system and mention it explicitly in an evaluate clause or in some sort of if statement, and create blocks of code which are not dependent upon the name, but just one switch at the beginning for the name. So the basic idea is we will copy update item 4 times or 5 times. We have 4 different sorts at the moment. We have the backstage parts, we have sulfurous, we have hpre, and we have other, and we will just call whichever function is the correct one to call. So let's copy this update item a number of times. So that's the original, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and let's name one of them update bre. Name another one update passes. Another one update sulfurous. And this one will be update other. And here at the top we just have to call into the right one. So let's have an evaluate. Let's take aged bre here. Okay. Backstage passes. Okay, what are we missing? Sulfurous. Okay. Okay, and then we have one other. Okay, and that can all go back. Okay. Let's see if we've broken anything. We have broken anything. Update other is not defined. Looks like it. I didn't end the paragraph. Okay, once more. Good. So now let's see what we're doing. Name not equal hpre. That's true. Name is not equal to hpre. So let's delete all this stuff. And this stuff as well. Now we're just deleting the code which is dead code, which doesn't interest in the case. In this case, name is not equal to sulfurous, so we can get rid of this. Name not equal to sulfurous, that's true, we can get rid of this. Name is not equal to hpre, that's true, so we can get rid of this. And get rid of this. Name not equal to backstage passes, that's true, so we can get rid of this. If name is equal to quality less than 0, may well be. We don't know. If name is equal to sulfurous, it can't be, so we can get rid of this. Quality is greater than 0, so now we're not actually doing anything in this branch. So that's total update other. Update sulfurous. This is false. We only go into here if we are equal to hpre or whatever. Where name is equal to sulfurous, so this goes away. Oops. I think we got rid of this. Need to get rid of this as well. Why is it unhappy with the formatting now? Quality greater than 0 if name not equal to sulfurous. Name is equal to sub4s. We can get rid of this as well. Okay. Is name not equal to aged brie? Yes it is, so we can get rid of this one. Name not equal to backstage passes? Yes it is, so we can get rid of this one. May well be. Okay, name not equal, name is equal to sub4s? Yes it is, so we don't have to ask if it is or not. Okay, let's just check we're not breaking lots of stuff. Looks okay. Update passes. Name is not equal to update passes. Well, it is update to update passes. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Name not equal to for us. That's true. It is. Name is not equal to aged brie. That's true. Name is not equal to aged brie, so we can get rid of this. Okay, name is not equal to backstage passes. Well, name is equal to backstage passes, so we go into the else branch here. So this can go. Okay, that looks better. Oh, hang on. Name equals, yes it does. So we can go into this branch here, get rid of this end if. Okay, it's still not very beautiful, this code, but it's better than nothing. Let's see where we are now. Yes, and then we have to do update brie. Name not equal to aged brie. Well, it is equal to aged brie, so let's get rid of this. Name not equal, it is, so we can get rid of this. Let's look at this one. Name equals backstage passes. No, it doesn't, so we can get rid of this. If cell in less than 0, if name is not equal to aged brie, let's see what goes on here. Name is equal to aged brie, so we can get rid of this. Okay, that looks better. We have the same results. This is good. Let's change a few things. Things which I don't like. Compute quality is equal to quality minus 1. I don't like that. Let's just say add 1 to quality. Compute quality equals quality minus 1. Let's just say add 1 to quality. Looks better, I think. Okay, let's try this one. Sorry. Selling, sorry. Equals selling minus 1. Subtract 1 from cell in. Yep. Oh, that's the only one. Add 1 to quality. Quality. There's a way to. Can I just do this and then? No, I can't. There's a way. Oops. There's a way to copy this into the change buffer. I don't know what it is. Compute quality equals quality plus 1. Let's change this to add 1 to quality. Yes, 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 yes. And then move 0 to quality here. Looks good, and subtract 1 from cell in looks good here. This as well. Actually, we should have that many times. Okay, this looks a little bit nicer now. That's double space here. Okay, have we now got the same stuff? I hope we do. Right, so now let's look at some of the problems we have with the tests. We have a problem with all negative tests, if I remember correctly. So if we go to, I think passes show this clearly. We move 0 here, this test case, cell in to be -1. This is the last passes test case. As you can see, this is cell in isn't going to -1, it's going to +1. And there's a reason for this, which I noticed earlier. That is, we've got the wrong data type here for cell in. It must be a signed decimal. So let's make both of these signed and see if we can see what happens now. Okay, that looks better. Good. What's the next one? I think let's look at the other test suite. Was expected 14, was 16. Something's gone wrong with other. Add 1 to quality. If quality greater than 0, add 1 to quality. Is that the way it should work? Or should it work differently? Well, we now have our test suite. We can have a look at it. Perform update quality, move 15 quality, 13. 0 to cell in. 15 to quality should be 13. Yes, something's gone wrong here. This should be subtract 1 from quality. Okay. What we also want to do is, if cell in is less than 0, we should subtract another one from quality. Oops. Sorry. The important thing to see is that we now have, it's now a lot easier to modify the code for an item than it was beforehand. This is the point of this refactoring. Maybe worth doing this with a little bit more care than I did it, but I think with sulfurous we should find that absolutely nothing ever changes. But yeah, this is a basic idea. And now we have the test suite. We have a little bit more control over what we're doing. I think I'll leave it here. Many thanks.